Pinji, you don't know Pinji? The small little monkey, the youngest of all. Yes, he was very active, or I can say he was so playful and mischievous. But he is the one who came out with the simple solution to the huge problem that the entire jungle was facing. He is the one who taught us that if there is a problem, there has to be a solution. Whenever there is a problem, there are always three choices in front of you. First, why am I telling you now? Shh, I'm not going to tell you now. You have to come and listen to the story. Join me for this story. Don't forget to put on your magical glasses because these are going to help you to visualize what I'm telling you. And listen to the story and share it with your friends at school and become the hero.